Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for this video. Today's video is going to be all about how I edit my videos. If you guys didn't know, I use Adobe Premiere Pro to edit my videos. I have it linked in just about every one of my videos in the description box, below the videos. So I'm going to show you guys how I use Adobe Premiere Pro to edit my videos, add fun text, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing, guys, I'm going to do here is open up Adobe Premiere Pro. The price point for Adobe Premiere Pro, I think it's like, you can get it for like $10 a month. So when I have Adobe Premiere open, I like to start a new project. I'm working on a new video, so I'm going to just name this one How I Edit My Videos. I'm going to hit OK. Alright, now when you have Adobe Premiere Pro open, it looks something like this. So what I am going to do now, guys, is I'm going to make sure that I am in edit mode. Right now I'm in color mode, so I'm going to click on the editing tab. Then I have to get my footage in here, so I'm going to go ahead and importing the files now. Alright, so if you look over to the left side, you will see the file here. I'm going to just drag and drop that to the center section here. And you can kind of see the footage and the audio below it. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is just how to cut footage cut parts from footage. So I want to cut this section out of Adobe Premiere. So what I'm going to do is grab my razor tool. I'm going to select that right there where that stopper is. Grab my selection tool, select the footage I want to delete. I'm going to right click and then I just cut the footage out of the project. I drag it to the very front, and then if you hit play, you will see that that footage is gone. One more time for the party people. Alright, now in this part of the video, I'm just showing you guys kind of where I got my fabric from. I said that I got it from Walmart for about $7, but I want to add text here. So I'm going to go to File, New, Legacy Title, and I just make sure that the width and height are correct, and then I just hit OK. And this is where I add all of my like super fun text to my videos. So you want to make sure that you have the text tool selected on the left side. So I'm going to just select the text tool, or the type tool. Sorry guys. So once you've got that tool selected, you're going to just click on the inside of the video and start typing. So I typed all Walmart's fabrics. All Walmarts have a fabric section, right? And then if you look at the bottom, you'll see legacy title styles. The one I made is this one I just clicked on. It's super fun text. I created this one myself. I just have it saved as a preset. So it looks kind of long. I'm going to just shorten it by adding 2 rows. And as you can see at the top, you can center the text. I'm going to go ahead and center it. You can change the text font, the sizing, all that stuff. And if you look on the right side here, you can even change like the colors of the text. Like I freaking love Adobe Premiere, y'all. So I'm just going to change it to pink, then change it to red. In the end though, I think white just looks the best, so I'm going to just select white. And there is the text, guys. I'm going to just put it where I want it to be. And then I'm going to close that out. And if you can see on the left side here, there is that title right there. All I'm going to do is just drag and drop it on top of my clip. And you'll see it right there. I'm going to start this video over from the beginning so you guys can kind of see how the text comes into the video. Alright, and you can see it just kind of you know, blinked up there. I don't like that. I never ever like that. So what I like to do is add cool video transitions to my text. So how I do that is I go to the effects tab and I go to the video transitions tab. Now I have a favorite folder. It's the slide folder. And my favorite transition to use is the push. So I just drag and kind of drop push onto that text clip. And I set the duration or the time or how long I want that slide to kind of happen on the text. I always do 10 seconds. And then right at the end of that text clip, I apply the default transition, which is just kind of like a fade out kind of thing. You'll see it in just a second. So I'm going to show you guys what that text looks like after I've applied the effects on there. Alright guys, and that is just what I like to do when I'm adding text. Now, I also like to apply that push effect to parts of my video. So I want to add a transition from where I talk about where I sit to the techie-ish part of the video. So as you can see, I'm kind of going back and forth. I'm right in the center where I need that transition to happen. So all I do is take my razor tool and I split the video into two parts. I'll go back to my selection tool, then I'm going to drag and drop push onto the second part or the part I just split. And remember, I like my transitions to be no longer than 10 seconds, so I'm just going to play it right now so you guys can see. And that's kind of how I apply video transitions from clip to clip. Alright guys, so next what I'm going to do here is show you guys kind of how I play with the color of my videos. So Adobe Premiere has this basic correction section, so you can kind of play with the contrast, exposure, highlights, all that good stuff. So I like to turn the highlights up and the whites in the video up, and I like to turn the blacks a little bit down that way. And you see how much cleaner and better the video looks, and it makes the lights look hella bright, and I love that. It just is, I feel like when I do this, my videos look a little bit more appealing and eye-catching. You can kind of see there's like a before and after. Left side is before, right side is after. Alright guys, that wraps up the video. I do want to thank you guys for watching. If you like these videos, put it in the comments. I love making these videos, guys. Bye!